I think actually at the last owner summit is when we purchased the device. It's been a fantastic device for us. We didn't have a true resurfacing device, so we were missing a big section of patients that we really weren't being able to treat. It filled a technology hole for us, number one. And then it's been an incredible device in terms of results. So many of our before and afters, if they aren't built on NOUVADerm as the foundation, they're at least part of the process. So that's been helpful not only to, build a NOUVADerm business, but again, it helps us just show the overall business to have a technology that gets consistently good results. And I love that it does a little bit of everything. It helps with tone and texture, it helps to tighten skin, it helps with fine wrinkles, it helps to lighten up sunspots and age spots. And so we can almost always add it to a treatment plan and get some value for the patient. And so that's been incredibly helpful. And then it's also helped our esthetician, our master esthetician and laser tech. It's helped build her business as well, to give her another tool to be able to treat some of the patients that she was missing